What is going on, everybody? I'm back again with another episode. So today we're gonna look at INIU USB to Type-C cable. I bought this pack of 3. On the front of the box it says the Safe Fast Charging Pro, and it does give you 3.1 amp on each of the single cable. And if you go to the back of the case, it says 3 years of warranty and give you an email of the support, and you can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Let's open this up and see what's inside the box. So when you open the box, it comes with a 3-pack. So this one is 6.6 feet, 6.6 feet, and this is 1.6 feet. Also, it comes with a user manual. So if you quickly look at it, it also comes with a rubber tie. It comes with the LED. Also, it lights up when you plug in the charging. Also, INIU is kind enough to give 30 days money back guarantee and also give you 3-year warranty if anything goes wrong with the cable. Let's open this up. So this is the 1.6 feet long cable. So this cable comes with the LED right here. As soon as you plug this in, this LED will light up. The quality of this cable is rated, so if you happen to slide it at the edge of the table, it's not going to break. And at the edges, this is really bendable, so you can easily bend it and it's not going to break. All 3 cables come with the tie. This is a lot easier to tie it in. As soon as you're done finishing your work, you can just wrap the cable like this, put the tie in, and put this in this slot and just pull it. And there you go, it's all tied up. That's very simple and easy. So as per the manual or the box, it says 3.1 amp fast charging. So I'm going to plug this into 3.0 amp adapter and see will this actually fast charge the cable or no. So right now I'm using Samsung S20 FE to test the cable. I have connected the cable to the 3.0 amp output adapter, and I'm going to connect and measure the ampere, what the draw is in the cable. Let's see, it will take a couple of seconds and we'll tell you what the exactly ampere I'm getting. So that's pretty good. In the box and in the manual it says 3.1 amp, and this is what I'm getting, 2800 and 2900 milliamp. So that's pretty good. I have to use 3.0 adapter to actually get that 3.1 amp or 3.0 amp throughout this cable to charge your phone. Just to keep that in mind, to make sure you use the 3.0 fast charge adapter. That's the only way this cable is going to give you the max efficiency. And if you guys are interested to purchase one of these cables, I'll leave the Amazon link in the description below. Thank you guys and have a good day.